Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix restricted social features in League of Legends, Valorant, and Teamfight tactics. If you're getting a VAN restriction message and can't launch or play the game, don't worry. We'll go through the settings that may be causing the problem. Let's get straight into it. First, open Windows Security. Click the Windows search box on your taskbar and type Windows Security, then open it from the search results. Once Windows Security opens, look at the menu on the left and select Device Security. On the Device Security page, find Core Isolation. Under this section, click Core Isolation Details. Now, look for the setting called Memory Integrity. If memory integrity is currently off, turn it on. If it's already on, you can try turning it off temporarily to test whether it's causing the compatibility issue. Keep in mind that changing this setting can affect Windows security, so only disable it temporarily for troubleshooting and turn it back on afterward if Valorant works with it enabled. After changing the setting, restart your computer. This step is important because Windows needs to restart before the security configuration is fully applied. Once your PC boots back up, open the Riot client and launch Valorant again. If the VAN restriction was caused by a conflict involving memory integrity or another Windows security configuration, the game may now start normally. If the problem is still there, don't immediately change more Windows security settings. Make sure Windows is fully updated and that Riot Vanguard is installed and running correctly. Vanguard is required for Valorant, so problems with the anti-cheat service can also cause VAN-related errors. You can also restart your PC once more after confirming that Vanguard is running, then try launching the game again. So to quickly recap, open Windows Security, go to Device Security, select Core Isolation Details, check memory integrity, make the appropriate change for troubleshooting, and then restart your PC before launching Valorant again. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you get past the Valorant VAN restriction. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Valorant tutorials and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.